We have had a wind advisory in effect all morning long, just expired at 8 a.m., but we were experiencing winds around 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50, and it certainly felt like it, and this can't be what happens. There's a downed tree here in Encinitas. We're at the intersection of Santa Fe and Stratford Drives. The homeowner tells us it was a beloved family tree house for about 20 years. It was a 30-foot pine that came crashing down, really could have been a whole lot worse. We have also received a lot of rain for our San Diego standards, so the ground is saturated and weak, making downed trees even more possible today. Good time to remind you to report storm damage on the San Diego City's Get It Done app. The county has something similar called Tell Us Now. They both say that is the fastest way to report problems and get them resolved. Hopefully some other helpful tips for you. Experts tell us that you really should get the trees around your property assessed every 2 to 3 years. If you notice significant leaning, also any cracks near the root system, that could be a sign of some problems. And they say to prune them often just so that they are not top heavy when we get wild storms like this.